Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make 3D models using Kiri Engine Web. To get started, go to kiriengine.app/web version, which I will link in the description. Then log in using your Kiri Engine account. To use Kiri Engine Web, you have to have a premium account, which you can get using the app. Once you logged in using your premium account, you can click Get Started and then click Upload. Then select the photos you want to have processed. Give your model a name, give it a label and choose your file format. Once you're ready, click on Create a 3D model now. After that, you'll have to wait until the photos have been uploaded, which can take some time. When it has finished uploading, you will see that your scan is being processed under the My Models tab. After it has finished processing, you can click on the model to view it. From there, you can either download it or you can use the crop tool to crop out parts of your model. After you crop the model to the size you want, you can click Done. Then you can choose to fill holes in your model. After that, it will create a new crop with filled holes. Your cropped model will now appear under the My Models tab. Click on it to view it. From there you can choose to share or download your model. The model you saw in the video can be viewed on Sketchfab, which I will link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed my video and thank you for watching. All of the links will be in the video description.